The San Diego County Taxpayers Association is trying to track the effectiveness of the millions being spent on the homeless. But the group tells Team 10 investigator Austin Grabish it was forced to destroy data that held the answer.
The downtown streets in America's finest city can be cruel.
It's horrible. It's drugs, 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 drugs. That's all it is.
There's the open drug use, the homeless acting erratically, and folks like Amber Bernardino living on disability and priced out of the most expensive city in America.
We need so much more help than what we're getting, and where the money's going, I don't know.
But the city of San Diego is spending a lot of money on the crisis. More than $218 million just in the last 3 fiscal years, to be exact. But how effective all that money is at getting people off streets like this isn't properly tracked, according to a recent state audit. The audit found California spent $24 billion in the past 5 years to tackle the problem without monitoring outcomes.
We want to follow the money.
Haney Hong wants to know where all this money is going. He's the CEO of the San Diego County Taxpayers Association and says his organization was tracking data that shows what publicly funded programs help people get off the streets. The data lives in the Homeless Management Information System. Hong says it shows when a homeless person enters or exits a program. In San Diego, the data is kept by the Regional Task Force on Homelessness, a nonprofit organization. Hong says 2 years ago, the task force gave the Taxpayers Association access to the anonymized data going all the way back to 2015. But then
they terminated this data sharing agreement, and then we had to destroy the data. And then I've heard excuse after excuse why they can't give us those data when we've asked for it again, and a refresh and a catching us up to today.
You were asked to destroy the data.
We were required to destroy the data per the data sharing agreement that we signed with them.
Hong says looking back, he wishes he never signed the agreement that required the data to be destroyed, something that is often required in contracts like these.
There's so much money, public money, going into helping those on the street, and the public deserves to know what's happening with that.
He says his research team analyzed the data and clearly could see some programs were making a dent in the crisis while others were not.
We learned that we could study that. And that's, I think, what it is that we're all looking for. Let's find what is working, and then let's find out what's working for the least cost. And maybe if we invest mostly in those, then we'll end the homelessness crisis. Now we just want to be able to tie those dollars to specific enrollments and exits to then see, did somebody come back to homelessness, or did we solve their problems?
I asked the task force to respond to Hong's concerns. The nonprofit told me it worked with the Taxpayers Association for a year on a project that didn't produce a single report. A spokesperson told me the task force follows federal guidelines on handling data during and after research projects. The nonprofit says it has provided the data to other researchers, including at UC San Diego, for this report. The spokesperson says, quote, "It's important to note that people experiencing homelessness deserve the same privacy protections as the rest of us. We hold our role and responsibility to protect the privacy of those experiencing homelessness seriously."
And we've been asking for anonymized data, right? I'm not asking if Austin's homeless, right? I'm not asking if Haney Hong is experiencing homelessness, right? I'm not doing that. We're just asking for anonymized data that they've already shared with us.
Back in the East Village, Bernardino told me she too would like to see the data and learn what programs are or are not working.
I don't know what's going on with it, but I think something does need to be looked at.
Her dream is to get into Section 8 housing and one day move away from this mess in the East Village. Austin Grabish, Team 10.
Besides being a government watchdog, Austin also covers stories on the California Medical Board and military investigations. You can contact him by scanning the QR code on your screen or emailing him at austin.grabish@10news.com.